Well, there are certainly a lot of choices when it comes to picking a bank.
So what if you could find one that does more than just handle money? We're being joined now by John Holt, the CEO of Nutmeg State Financial Credit Union. John, it's always good to see you.
Good to see you.
We're talking about the mission today, which I just love because this credit union does have a mission. So let's start with that right there.
Yeah, it's creating multi-generational prosperity for the Connecticut community through education, collaboration, and really supporting our local commerce. We're trying to do things more meaningful, more socially impact. I mean, we want more responsibility around that and really helping people.
Helping people, which is key.
Right.
I was reading an article the other day, meaning is the new money, they say. So you're trying to create a lot of meaning around money. And how specifically do you do that? How do you create multi-generational wealth or change the trajectory for a family?
That's a very good question. And that's really, again, part of our mission. And we're looking to take the wealth and pass it down from the generations to help people with that, because the baby boomer transferring that wealth down to, let's say, Gen X and down to all the way to Gen Z. So we're really helping people do that. We want to help the communities, really bring people together, the municipalities, the people, and all of the businesses, and get them talking, being socially responsible together. We want to be that bridge that kind of helps people do that, and that's why we're really focused on a lot of the partnerships in the community that will help us do that for the community.
Does it help to be a nonprofit in that aspect?
Yeah, really good question. Yeah, and even though we're a financial institution and we often talk about products and the attributes to the products, we want this to be meaningful. We want to care about people, we want to be compassionate, we want to be transparent, we want to help those underserved. We want to do things such as education reform, affordable health care for people, helping the Black and brown communities with financial wellness, and helping women and small businesses, out. So all of these things are combined, and we're trying to bridge all of these things in the community, and we started that initiative off early this year.
Okay.
Some of it's education, right? And how do you offer that to folks so they can really learn how to be financially empowered?
That's another good question. And really, when we talk about products, we want to add to that. We want to say, okay, here's how we can help you, how we can counsel you. Here's some of the right products that might be advantageous for you. And here's some things that might be better for this community versus that community. So it's really about understanding the community, really getting to know them more, and connecting all of the pieces together. And we're doing it internally too, culturally. This is all about internally our people, that we want them to understand our values, understand our mission. We want to care about our employees. We just, for example, gave a bunch of raises to our frontline employees.
Oh, that's terrific.
Because we wanted to make sure that they understood we care for them and what they're doing. So this is all not only for our membership in the community, but it's also for our people.
And people are out there saying, "Oh, it's a credit union. I can't be a member." It's very simple to become a member of Nutmeg.
Oh, yeah. I mean, it's pretty much open to anyone in the community here. And just go into a branch, you can open accounts online, and the difference between in a bank and credit union, we have better rates on loans and deposit accounts, little to no fees. And what we'll be doing throughout the year is really creating solid products around this mission.
Right.
For people. So it's going to look a lot different. We probably won't even call ourselves a financial institution. It'll be looked at more as a collective.
Really? Mm-hmm. That's really interesting.
A socially impactful organization that really helps people, and we've defined it.
Interesting.
Yeah.
The future of banking.
The future of banking. Well, if anybody can do it, it's you, Mr. Holt. So
Thank you.
We're looking forward to seeing great things come out of Nutmeg. That's terrific.
Yeah.
All right. How are the rates? Any good?
Well, mortgages are going up.
Yeah, that's a bummer.
Certainly, yeah.
That's and the stock market's going down.
Yeah,
what's going on with
your
that?
investments are probably. I know mine are suffering. I'm like, I'm not even looking.
Okay.
Well, if you want more information, you can go to nutmegstatefcu.org. John, it's always a pleasure to see you.
Thank you.
A pleasure.
Yes, go for the long term. All right.
Long term.
Long term.
Like a football pass.
We got a whole week left on Great Day Connecticut. Eyewitness News at 4 is coming up next.
Stay with us.
See you tomorrow.